Power on, like this. Press home button. Then press table button. You can find the file. Press enter. Now you need to create a new file. Press 1. Press button. Press menu 1. Then move the cursor to default parameters. Press enter to confirm. So now you can see the default parameters like this. Then move the cursor to 0008 line report. Then press menu 1. Move the cursor to 3 page. Then select the clean solder hole. Press enter. Press 1 to select Y1. Then move the cursor to 000 line record. Press X, Y, Z to remove the soldering hole. Like this. X, Y, Z. Press stop and ESC can check Y2 to Y1. This is XYZ, move the soldering hole. Please note the soldering hole must to be contact with the soldering pad and in the middle of the soldering pad. Then press line star. You can see the interface. Press 1 to create the drag soldering file. Press enter to confirm. So this is the first soldering pad drag soldering. Then move the cursor to 0010 line record and move the soldering hole to last soldering pad. Press XYZ, move. Press X button. Press X button. Move the soldering horn like this. Note the soldering horn must over the last soldering pad, like this. Must over the last soldering pad. Then press line end. Now we create the dot soldering program. So please hold the soldering horn to avoid the soldering horn hit the components. Then press Y. YX. Rotate the soldering horn. Move the soldering horn to dot soldering position. Like this. The soldering horn must touch the soldering pad and in the middle of soldering pad, like this. Then press start button to confirm the first dot soldering. Press 2 to confirm the data soldering program, and press enter. Now the next soldering data program. Press Y to move the soldering horn. The same with the first dot program. Then press start button to confirm the second soldering position. Press start. Then import 2. 2 is please note 2 is the dot program. So import 2. Press enter to confirm the dot soldering program. Now you can press home to make the soldering horn to the original position. Press home. You can check the single soldering program. Press run button to test the first program.